question number? Question number
21.
21.
The
What
mean of the following frequency distribution is 57.6.
Mean is 57.6. Okay.
And frequency sum is 50.
Summation of Fi is equal to 50. Okay. So there is given you a table also.
Yes.
What table is that?
Classes is 0,
Class.
0, 20 to 100.
Oh, class size is given. Class size. क्या 0?
20,
0 to 20,
20 to 40,
20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to
100,
80 to 100. Then
100 to 120.
100 to 120. This is
Yes.
class size. No, it is we will say class interval. Class interval. Right. Now class mark is
Yes.
mark. No, I'll do it. You don't get worried. I'm just asking. Class mark. This is 20. Right. 0 plus 10 becomes
20. 20 upon 2 is 10.
becomes
10.
0 plus 20 by 2. It becomes 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Okay. And here it is 40 plus 20 divided by 2 becomes 60 by 2 becomes 30. So there is difference of 20. Right?
Yes.
So it is 50, it is 70, it is 90, it is 110. Right? This is and this is class mark we have. Okay. What is frequency? Frequency is
7
7
P
P
12
12
Q
Q
8 5.
8 and 5. Okay. Okay. Your problem was these two. P and Q. So 10 into 7 is how much?
70.
70. 30 into P becomes 30P. 12 into 50 600.
70 Q
70Q.
720
720.
550.
550. Okay. So when we add this is how much? 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, 20 and 32. 32 plus P plus Q is given you 50. Right? So bring this 32 on this side. So P plus Q is equal to 50 minus 32 is equal to 8. So P plus Q is equal to 8. So Q is equal to 8 minus P, right? Now when we make, this is Q, right? Now here is
18.
70, no, just wait.
So 50 minus
760, 1 minute, 760 plus 720 plus 550 upon how much? 0. 20. 20 तो ये आ गया तुम्हारे पास 2030 प्लस 30p प्लस 70 8 minus
so 18.
this is 8.
18.
18, sorry, it will be 50 minus 32 is 18. Oh my god. 18. So it is 18. Oh. 18. So it is 18. 18 minus P. Right? So how you will solve this? So you get, should I rub this?
Yes.
So x bar is equal to summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. This is 57.6 is equal to, this is how much? One 26, 70 into 18. नहीं 1260.
Yes.
8 times 7 becomes 56. 6, 5 carry. 1 times 7 becomes 7, 5, 12. 126, 0, 126. Right? So 126. So we have 2030 plus 1260, and this is minus 70. 30 becomes minus 40. P upon, this is how much? This is given you 50. If you cross multiply it, you take one decimal from, this is 10. This 0 and 0 is cancelled. Cross multiply 6 times. 6 times
30.
6 times 30, 6 times 5 becomes 30. 0, 3. 5 times 7 times 5 becomes 35. 3, 38. 3. 5 times 5 becomes 25. 3, 28. 28 is equal to, when we add this, 0, 6 plus 9, 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, minus 40p. So 40p is equal to how much? 3290 minus 2880 How much you will get? Hmm? 3290 2880. You get 0, 1 common 12, 410. Hmm? Hmm? So P is equal to 410 upon 40. Vanja, point. P is equal to 10.25. Hmm?
P is equal to 8, Q is equal to 10.
Hmm. That calculator you give me this form.
So ये 940 है.
अरे यार ये 670 होगा. 600 plus 720 plus 550. ये गलती होती है मेरे. It is 1940. 1940. अब इसको अगर हम ऐड करेंगे how much we get? 1940. इसको किया था हमने भी कितना आया था? That we get 1260. Yes, 1260. ठीक है. That will come 3200. Right? So यहाँ से भी हटाओ. We will write here 1940 plus 1260, right? So this will come 3200. So 3200 becomes 40 minus 2880, 320. That will come 320. Right, this zero cancel out. This is 1260 when we are multiplying this. That is P is equal to 8. So it is 8. Therefore, P is equal to 8. When P is equal to 8, so Q is equal to 18 minus P, it becomes 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. So Q is equal to 10. You get this? So P is equal to 8, P is equal to 8 and Q is equal to 10. This is the solution we have. It takes lot of calculation mistake during solving this question. This happens because data is so high na, sometimes if you miss something, 70 into 600 becomes, I have taken 760 which is 670. Here I made a mistake. Done? Tell me the next which you have. That is 22.
Yes.
What is that?
Lifetime in days.
Question number
22.
Question number 22. Lifetime in days. Lifetime in days. Days. Right? And number of tubes. है ना? You do not have books, so how you can say tubes? So less than 50. Less than 50 is 8. Less than 100. How much? 23. Less than 150 is 55. Less than 200 is equal to 81. Less than 250 is how much? 93. 93. And less than 300 is 100. Right? So summation of Fi is equal to 100. Right? Now we convert into table. So class size, class interval, class interval, cumulative frequency CF and frequency, right, like this. So it is 0 to 50, right? How much cumulative frequency is 8? The frequency is 8. Then we have 50 to 100. Then it is 23. It becomes 23. 23 minus 18 becomes 15. Frequency is 15. Now 100 to 150. 55. Is it? So 55 is how much? 40. Frequency is 40. Now 150 to 200 is 81. 41. Now 200 to 250. What is frequency? What is cumulative frequency? 91. 91 minus, it is 50. Is it? 91 minus 41 becomes 50. And 250.
So 93.
It's 93. Oh my god. 93. Then 93, 41, 52. And now it is 100.
48.
No, I'm doing wrong. I'm doing wrong. First one is correct. 23 minus 8 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 45.
55.
55 becomes 40. That is okay. Now 81 and 55. You get 7 here, 11 here, 6, 2, 26. This will be 26. And now 93, 81 becomes 12. You get 12. This is frequency. Sum of all frequencies how much? Summation of Fi is how much? Something is wrong. Yeah. 81, 55. You get here 7, 11. 11 minus 5 becomes 6 and it is 26. That is correct. So 55 minus 23 becomes 2 and 3, 32. Right? It will come 32. 32. 250 to 300 is 100. 100. So 100 minus 93 becomes 7. Now it is correct. So summation of Fi, just to cross check, it's 23 or 32, 55, 81, 12, 93 plus 7 becomes 100. I hope it is correct. This is frequency we have, right? What do you have to find here? Mean. All the energy takes out. It becomes 25, right? And it is 75. 50 difference है ना? 50 add, you get 125. Again you add 50 here, 175. Again you add 50 here, 225. 225, 50 becomes 275. You get it? Huh? Now I'll not go without this. 8 times 25 becomes this is x we have. So fx 8 times 25 becomes 200. 15 into 75. 15 into 75. 1125. 1125. Now 32 into 125. 32 into 125. It is 400. Oh my god. It is 400. Oh, it's 4000, not 400. 32 into 125. 4000. 175 into 26. 175 into 26. 4550. 4550. Now 12 into 225. 2700. Or 7 into 275. 1925. 1925. Right? So summation of Fi xi is equal to how much? Could you tell me this number please?
200.
No, from the
1925.
yes plus
200 square.
about 2700 plus
4550.
4550
4000.
4000
1125
1125
into 100.
plus 200. Sure.
Yes.
It is 14,500. This is 14,500. Right? So mean is x bar is equal to summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. It becomes how much? 14,500 divided by 100. How much is your answer? 145. What is your mean?
145 days.
145. This is, this is 145 days. That is days. Mean days is 145. Get this? Huh? Oh my god. One more.